Hello my gardening family, welcome and welcome back to my food forest in containers. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you one and all. Alright, so there are a few things that I really need to get done. Should have done them already. Well, in my head I should have. But I didn't get to them, so I am basically trying to see how much I can get done with you and without you. As in on camera and off camera. So yeah, come garden with me.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Alright, so so these are my carrots that we planted together some time ago. This is where they are now. Some of them died. I could have sown back the seeds, but I decided not to because I want to grow in succession. So I said, alright, let these stay, and then I'm going to do some more, like in the middle right here. I am cutting down this male papaya tree. I could let it stay, but the same thing that was happening to the other two starts to happen to this, so I'm cutting it to about here. I'm actually going to use a container. If it grows back, oh well, but I'm not going to go through the process that I did with the other two, like to plastic wrap it or anything. No, I'm just going to cut it and leave it as is. If it grows back, it grows. If it doesn't, fine. Because someone was telling me it's nice to have a male papaya in the garden with your female papaya, so I decided I would let it stay, but then the disease thingy that were on the other one, I have to get rid of it. I'm actually going to plant these sorrel seeds in that container over there. So what happened, mommy gave me some sorrel for Christmas, and boy, those sorrel that she grew, they are so rich. So I decided to save me some seeds. Some of them you can see right here dry, some not so dry at all, but I'm just going to put all of them in to see what will sprout or not, and then if I need to move any, I'll just do that. But I'm telling you, those sorrel I had was to save some seeds. I had was to plant those. Mommy grows some really nice stuff, I'm telling you. Even though I know I'm still going to get from her again, God's willing, because that's just who she is. She don't care what I'm planting from what I'm not planting. She giving me whatever she have nevertheless. I'm just throwing them in really and truly because there is no better way for me to get over there. You see my space, how compact it is. So that is why I even add the papaya over here initially, so that it's not something I have to maintain on a regular. So I am doing the same thing with these sorrel or roselle, like some people know it, because they don't need much maintenance. Just feed them and leave them, that's all. Alright, so I'm going to put back some sweet corn in this container. I think I'm going to put 4 in this one. 4 seeds. Yeah, that's it, girl. Guys, you see me throwing my stuff? I can't reach over there properly. Alright. I'll press it down a bit. I did press down the soil. I meant to press it down without you. Alright guys, so I am planting some more peanuts inside here. I'm going to actually plant them better than I did with these. But I don't think I did a good job when I planted these before. I think I was too much in a hurry. So I'm just going to add some more to it right now. I'm just making little holes like that. So this peanut, I basically bought it from someone on the street side selling peanuts. These are raw peanuts. I could have purchased it in the supermarket, but why not just get it on the go? So yes, that's all you need to do. Buy some raw peanuts and plant them. And you don't need to plant them deep. Just regular 2 times the diameter of it. Alright, so, and they're pretty easy to grow. Very easy. They're going to sprout. You're going to see how quickly they sprout, God's willing. I don't feel like touching the soil today at all. So I'm actually going to use my wannabe garden gadget. You know that this is to mash the potato, right? I found it handy in the garden. So I took this one from the kitchen and replaced it. Like, why not? I am just doing the same thing I did right here. That's it. Okay, so I have these garlics that I'm actually going to put in that bucket right there. So I think the ones that I planted at the beginning of the rainy season was a big mistake, because it was the rainy season. Like, come on girl, duh. So the rain damaged most of them. Well, 99% of them. I have like maybe 1% in the garden right now. The difference with these now are that these weren't on the fridge as long as those, but there is something that I have in mind to do, and whether it work or not, I will definitely let you all know about it. But I'm just trying it first and then I will share it with you. I can't tell you to do it and then it doesn't work, and then you say, oh, it's the one, Stacey, let me spoil my garlics. So basically those are the 2 that I'm seeing. I think I have 1 and 2 more around the place somewhere, but these are the ones that I know about right now. And you can see nothing much going on there. So right, it's always about trial and error. We keep learning every day, especially from our experiments. Alright, so I'm just pulling them apart like this. These are soft neck garlic. I don't think I'm going to put every single one of them inside there. I'm going to work with the bigger ones. Yeah, let's see. So I'm basically just pushing them down like that, leaving the point right there out. So what I did was to just bring the soil closer to them and I just leave the tops out like that. Alright guys, so I'm trying my hands again at potatoes, Irish potatoes as we call them here in Jamaica. So what am I doing differently? Alright, that's what we show you, just a slight difference, just making a slight little difference, nothing great. Before I start adding the soil, let me add some of the horse manure first with sawdust. Of course, over time, these will break down. Alright, so I'm going to bury some scraps I have here. Alright, so these kitchen scraps, usually I cut them up smaller, you know, but I really can't right now. These are what left over from the yam yesterday. Yeah, I really can't. I could use some more scraps, but I don't have any. I don't have any more right now. I use up the others. I put them in my liquid fertilizer already. Alright, so I'm basically adding some more soil. Alright, so only these 2 potatoes I have. So the difference with these now that I'm planting, I am not putting them too deep down in the soil and letting them stay somewhere like here. Yeah, like there. Let the high right here, so just have a little contact with the soil right there. Doing the same thing for this one. To have a little contact right there. Guys, this is no special technique. It's because I am not fully submerging them in the soil. Oh, did I damage? No. I am just going to now add the horse manure with sawdust on top of it like that. This one got all of it. Ugh. I need to get some more to put on top of here. You know what? I can't go around the front right now. Alright. But I'll do it eventually. Add some more if I need to. Alright, so let's see what will become of my potatoes. I've decided on putting them in this location right here, so behind my banana tree and beside my star fruit tree right here. So I'm going to put both containers right here, and this is deliberate because it will get direct sunlight and it will also get shade at some parts of the day. This is definitely going to be a little struggle to get them over there, because one, I don't know if any lizards in the banana tree. Hui. But let's do this. Over. Alright, not bad. That wasn't so bad at all. That was actually quick. So that's where they are. So I'll leave you here for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.